Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEWA70, and I'll show you how to connect Wi-Fi to this device. So let's first open the settings application, and after that tap here on the Wi-Fi section. Then to activate the Wi-Fi, you should click here only once on the switcher, and after that just select one from these available networks. For example, this one here. You should enter the device the network password. To see it, just click here on this checkbox, for example, to have now some mistakes, and after that just enter the password. I'll do this out of screen. Then just tap here to connect. And now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you want to turn out the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. If you want to just activate Wi-Fi by the second way, you should just open the notification panel and then click here on the Wi-Fi icon. To launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon. Okay, and now just by the same way, select one from the available networks and connect. After that, just if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here only once again on this Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.